Hi, I'm Chris Mann. I'm the chairman of the board here for Guayaquil Yerba Mate. We've been in business for about 20 years selling yerba mate, which has the strength of coffee, the health benefits of tea, and the euphoria of chocolate. We switched over to NetSuite because of the ease of use. We can get the information we want in a timely basis and be able to share it widely.
So we're here for an Avidas Natural,
ProBar, Honey Stinger,
Amazing Grass,
Suja juice.
Late July.
Bonk Nutrition.
Late July is an organic snack producer. We're a fast-growing company. We needed a sophisticated tool, but a tool that is easy to use, made it very seamless to get the data we needed to meet the needs quickly for our consumers.
ProBar is simply real, made with real ingredients, real food, and it tastes fantastic. NetSuite touches really every facet of our company, from every time a customer calls, to ship their order, to help support them, all of it.
We are an organic wheatgrass company. One of the things that I love about NetSuite is with one click, you come up with quick, faster decisions that help us to continue the growth.
I work for Suja. It's a cold-pressed organic juice company based out of San Diego. Every day I'm in NetSuite. It's very clean and concise. Information is right there and I can communicate it easily to my team.
I'm Brooke Golden, Director of Marketing for Avidas Naturals. We are the leading superfood company. We've been fortunate to be growing both in our product line and in our sales and our distribution. So having tools in place like NetSuite to be able to monitor inventory, track our customers, making a single interface for our whole team, NetSuite brought it together in a nice integration for us.
So Jason Wynn, co-CEO and founder of Bonk Nutrition. We are a manufacturer of energy bars and high protein bars. And now Chews. We did a ton of research and no other software seemed to fit or compare to the flexibility and the capabilities that NetSuite had for our type of business.
We really have an opportunity to introduce good fuel to these guys. It's an easy sell for us because our product tastes really good. NetSuite can easily process data and access data that we need to be an efficient business.